All right, if we take a look at what's going on outside right now, we have snow that's pushing into the area, and we are going to have snow all day tomorrow in through Monday morning. So this long duration event is going to drop several inches of snow, more so towards the Indiana state line. And if we take a look at what's going on right now on Storm Track Live, you can see that leading edge that we've been talking about. Overall, we're going to start to see 1 to 2 inches overnight tonight. We could see a 3-inch outlier near the Indiana state line. And if we zoom out just a little bit farther, you can see that we do have several areas where we're seeing this dark blue color indicating heavy snow. And at times, we do have the chance of seeing intermittent snow throughout the day on Sunday, especially once we get to Sunday afternoon. So here's what we're tracking. Overnight tonight, again, slight accumulations that plows should be able to keep up with, but it is going to be heaviest closer to the Indiana state line. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll start to see those accumulations ramp up just a bit with the heaviest snow Sunday afternoon and evening. This is also when the wind kicks in gear and we have very cold air that'll rush down. So Sunday evening, when you guys are getting done with your Super Bowl parties, bitterly cold wind chills, 10 to 15 below, and dangerous conditions on the roads because we are going to see blowing and drifting, and we could also see reduced visibilities. So if you can, we do want you to check Storm Track Live in your Storm Teammate weather app continually throughout the day, and we'll continue to keep you updated both on air and online through Sunday for those driving conditions. Here's a look at Sunday's forecast, a high of only 19, and then our temperatures fall from there in the afternoon. Your futurecast shows that this evening, this shield of moisture rolls on in with this far-reaching arm of a storm system, and then 6 a.m., we'll see widespread snow everywhere, even as far north as Big Rapids. Once we get to noon, we'll start to see heavier bands roll on in from Holland south, and then after that, from about noon to 6 is when I'm thinking we're going to see the most substantial snowfall. It's not until late Sunday into Monday that we start to clear this out. But remember, the system's not done. We could still see some blowing and some drifting for Monday morning. So your Monday morning commute is still going to be a little on the treacherous side. Here's your snow futurecast. Models have been more and more bullish with this evening. Even on a conservative end, looking like potentially 3 inches in Sturgis by tomorrow morning. And then by the time we get to Monday morning, remember it's going to take all the way till Monday to see this snow. Potentially 14 inches in Sturgis, Kalamazoo. Wouldn't be surprised if you saw 10 to 12 inches. Same with Battle Creek, Hastings, potentially 10 to 12 inches. And then Grand Rapids, you're right around 6, but some locally heavier amounts. Same goes for Muskegon. Wouldn't be surprised if you saw 5 to 6 inches here. So here's your 8-day forecast. Much colder. Really want to emphasize that because that's when we're going to start to see those wind chills dig in deep. And 15 below is not out of the question for temperatures on Monday morning for your wind chill values. Then if we look at your week ahead, the wind does die down for Tuesday and Wednesday, but we also see another small snow system roll on through. So it's going to be a pretty big system here, manageable for the first half. But once we get into Sunday afternoon, you're going to want to really kind of prepare, plan ahead, check things out before you drive because it could be dangerous.
All right. And the good news, though, it is a long duration storm.
Yes.
So we're not talking about a dumping here.
Exactly.
But the bad news is it's still a lot of snow, and it's going to be snowing all day.
Yeah, pros and cons of this system, and that one pro is that it is long duration, so it's going to take a while for us to see those totals.
All right. Ellen, thank you. We'll be right back coming up after this.